Now, in this video, we will learn about grouping and filtering in pivot table. So, as we have already created our pivot table, let's change this value by order date. As soon as we put this order date, we can see that this comes as a like this. And here there are two different values are showing, month and order date. So it depends on the version of Excel that you are using. When you will be using 360, 365, Office 365, so it will give quarter, day, something like that. Basically, in a hierarchy of this date. So right now it is coming to different things, month and order date. So either we can use this or we can change that. So let's suppose if we wanted to date wise information, we do not want month wise, we will use ungroup. So here we can see all values has been ungrouped. In the same way, we can change this to a group like we wanted to see it as a month only. Then click here. So it has been grouped as a month. Even we can change this like total sales. So these are showing our total sales value. So we can group it by, let's suppose we wanted to see sales from $202 to 49.86, and it should be bifurcated by 500. So now we can see that all these values has been grouped now. So every group has a difference of 500, and it is started from 220 and it goes to 5201. So this is how we can group our values in pivot table. These are very useful when we are summarizing the data because it gives a very crisp information instead of seeing like this information is more useful. That's why we are using group. You even can change the different options. You can put 1000 or you can put anything. That's how you wanted to analyze the data. If you do not want to show the initial value as 202, then use this and you can put it like 5000. So now the value has been changed. It gives us 5 group of 1000, starting with 00 and then to 5000. Now, understanding the filter option. So you can see two different options of filter here. So let's use this. When you will click here, you will find different dates. If you do not want to see from January to December, you just wanted to see January, March, and May. Just select three values and click OK. Now whole summary will come like this: January, February, and this also. Now, if you use this second filter option, you will find that these products will be showing here. So if you do not want to see all, select the relevant one. Now it will make our data very crisp, and it is very helpful to analyze. There are more things that you can do with the pivot table, like you can filter data basis different criteria that you can use. You can data filter basis so many week wise, last year, this year, and so many things. You can remove your filter by clicking here. You can sort your data ascending or descending by clicking here. So these were the options that we can utilize here. Thank you for watching.